Attention small business owners, blog writers, content creators, anyone else who is interested in writing a blog. What if I told you that all you needed was the outline of the blog you're interested in writing, and that there is a GPT that can help you with jump starting your blog writing? Game changer! Hi, my name is Shay Jackson. It is my mission to educate and empower women who were interested in learning and leveraging AI tools. In today's AI Test Drive, we will be taking a look at a GPT called Blog Wizard for Professionals. No need to wait. Let's dive in. Let's get started. I am already in my ChatGPT dashboard. Now, one of the things that I do want to mention is that in order to use this GPT or any GPT other than ChatGPT 3.5, you must have a Plus plan subscription, which is $20 a month. All you would have to do is go to openai.com if you want to change from the free version to the Plus version. I am ready. Before we get started, one of the things, because I did kind of do a test drive before this video, one of the things that I did want to mention in order to make this effective and efficient, you already need to have a blog outline. So what I did was, and if you don't have one and you need to think of something, you can use ChatGPT to help you with creating a blog outline. Here is the prompt that I used, and I will have this link in the description box so that you can kind of take a look at it, and also just if it inspires you of what you need to do to create your own outline or to use the prompt for a blog outline that you're thinking about. My prompt is, you are an SEO content creator. Create an outline for a blog post about highly profitable online businesses a woman working a full-time job can start and potentially make $1 million in 18 to 24 months. That was my prompt. Now, obviously, I'm going to give a shameless plug about my starting a business using ChatGPT videos that I put out on Tuesdays, and that is why I use this prompt, okay? So I'm going to scroll down, and you see that it gives me an introduction highlighting the empowerment and financial independence that comes with owning a business, okay? Briefly touching upon the possibility and practicality of building a high profitable online business alongside a full-time job, setting the stage for the discussion of business ideas that are not only feasible, but also potentially lucrative within a short time frame. So this is really good. And I'm going to scroll down. And one of the things that I do mention in my other videos as well is the more descriptive and specific you can be with ChatGPT, the better the results you'll have. And I'm saying that because if I scroll all the way down and we can look, let me scroll up. I wanted to jump the gun. Let's look at the different titles or the Roman numerals that we have. The second one is the appeal of online businesses for full-time workers. It has 3 different bullet points for that. Number 3 is essential tools and platforms for launching your online business. Okay, number 4, highly profitable online business ideas. So you see it's keeping with what I asked the subsections for. Number 4 are drop shipping, digital product sales, affiliate marketing, blogging and content creation, online coaching and consulting. Number 5 is scaling your online business to hit that $1 million mark. Number 6, overcoming challenges as a full-time employee. Number 7, the conclusion. And then number 8, call to action. So what I would do, because this may be a long blog, okay, I would separate this into or divide it into probably 3 different sections, because what I would want ChatGPT to do is to give me a lot of good information, and with it trying to covers so many topics in one blog, you just won't get the same wealth of information you would if, let's say, for instance, the part 1 of this blog is talking about the introduction, the appeal, the central tools and platforms, and then the highly profitable business ideas. That would be a lot of good information, okay? And that was something that I'm saying with the prompt. Maybe I could have said, give me an 8 title or 8 subject heading outline, and then I told it what the title needed to be. So you could just play around with it. If you don't like the results that it gives you the first time, all you have to do is hit the circle button, and I'll show you that in just a moment if you've never been on ChatGPT before, so that you can see if it gives you better results than what it initially gave, okay? What I'm going to do is I am going to go over to my chat, and I am going to upload my outline, okay? You have to upload your blog outline, in order for it to assist you. Now you see there is a conversation starter that says, please give me an example of a blog outline. So that one is good too, and I'll click it so we can look and see what the results are, because this is an AI test drive. Okay, and please excuse my voice. I am getting over just being really sick, but I feel a lot better today. Okay, and see, it's just giving you an example of what a blog outline is, just in case you didn't know. But again, you can use ChatGPT if you are struggling with coming up with a blog outline for any type of subjects or titles that you would like to talk about. You can use ChatGPT to help you create the blog outline like I did. Okay, so here's the information that it gave. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my blog outline, and we're going to see what it gives us. Okay, I have uploaded my blog outline, and like I mentioned, I am not going to put in all of the subject headings that it was giving me. What I did was I did include the introduction all the way up to highly profitable online business ideas. Okay, so now that I've uploaded it, I am going to hit the arrow, and let's see what Blog Wizard for Professionals can do. Okay, it's analyzing the document that I uploaded. Okay, it says the outline for your blog post has been saved successfully. Now let's proceed with crafting your blog, starting with the first section. Based on the outline provided, we'll begin with the introduction, so we can see highlighting the empowerment and financial independence that comes with owning a business, and discussing the feasibility and potential of a highly profitable online business alongside a full-time job. Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me scroll up. And here's my introduction. In the digital age, the dream of entrepreneurship whispers more persistently in our ears. Okay, very nice. So this is the introduction. And what you can do to put your flavor on it, like I mentioned, this is just a jump start, a framework for you to use. Reading through it, see what things you want to change, what you want to add, what you want to delete. But this is good if you're just kind of having writer's block or you struggle with writing. Then this is a way that you can kind of catapult your blog post writing. Okay, so let me scroll down. Now that completed the introduction, let's proceed to create a vibrant image that captures the essence of embarking on an entrepreneurial journey while managing full-time work. Afterward, I will prepare the paragraph in HTML format and add it to the master block file. Do you wish to proceed with the next part? Of course I do. Yes. Cross that out. So it's creating an image, which is good, of course, for your blog post. You have that visual as well as the writing as well. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it's showing kind of the separation and also an online business. Okay, it's pretty neat. I'll be honest, I would want to use different graphics for this blog post. I would want to have a woman somewhere, but this is good for a start if you don't have anything at all. Okay, it's analyzing again. Okay, shall we proceed to the next section? The appeal of online businesses for full-time workers. Proceed. Let me scroll down a little bit. I'll let you guys know I'm already impressed, okay? In the quest for financial independence and empowerment, the digital realm presents an enticing frontier for full-time workers aspiring to dip their toes into the waters of entrepreneurship. Okay, let's dip our toes. This is pretty nice. Very good. Scroll down some more. And you see what I mean, as I mentioned before, just really wanting to have quality information. But if I would have put all of those subject headings in there, it may not have given me this type of quality. I'm not sure, but if you would like to try again, the link to this document will be in the description box. And you can copy and paste the whole subject heading to see if it gives you the same type of quality as this. And it might, especially because it saved the information and it's kind of going section by section to look at the different headings and to write about them. And the word count is amazing. Okay, next we'll create another engaging illustration to accompany this section, highlighting the dynamic and accessible nature of online entrepreneurship for full-time workers. After that, I'll format the section into HTML and add it to our master block file, ready to continue. Yes. So this is pretty cool because for each section, it's giving you an idea of what your picture can look like, so that as you're creating your blog post, you're adding these pictures as well. I'm impressed. Let's see what this image looks like. Okay, I like this. Pretty cool. I would have wanted a woman, but you know, no complaints. This is a good pick. Okay, it's analyzing again. And then we'll complete one more section, and then I will give my rating for Blog Wizard for Professionals. It looks like it's almost done analyzing. Oh, it says the section of the appeal of online businesses for full-time workers have been formatted into HTML and saved successfully. You can download and view the content here. Okay, I'm going to download it and we'll look at it later. Let's continue crafting your blog post. Shall we move on to the next section? Essential tools and platforms for launching your business. I'm going to say yes, and this will be the last section that we go over. I am impressed. So it starts with e-commerce platforms and it lists them out. We know about Shopify. We know that Shopify is popular, WooCommerce and BigCommerce, social media, digital marketing tools to amplify your online presence. And so this section is essential tools and platforms for launching your online business. Financial management software, okay, because when your money comes in, you want to make sure that you are a good steward, and it gives you QuickBooks, Xero, and also FreshBooks as an example. Okay, I will not show the illustration because we're going over kind of closer to 20 minutes. Blog Wizard for Professionals, I will give you, out of 5 stars, I will give you 5.5, and I will tell you why. Because not only did you create, and I wasn't expecting for there to be a picture created as well. I thought all it would give me is just helping me with the blog post once I give the outline. But then it added the picture as well. That's over and above undersold, over delivered. I give it a 5.5. That is it for this AI Test Drive, a blog wizard for professionals. My name is Shay Jackson. I will talk to you in the next video.